Okay, so in Germany, your windows don't come with any type of screen. And since I'm on the bottom floor, you can see like everything in my house. So instead of getting like a curtain here, this is where my kitchen is going to be, where my stove and stuff will be. I just put some, what is this called? Like, I don't know, the paper that you can cover things up with or change the style of things. I just put it on the window, and because it peels right off. So windows in Germany open differently. So windows here, you can see I have a big window. When I turn the knob upward, it just kind of like cracks the window up top. And because the seal is so close, you can't really see it, but it cracks the window up top. Or I can just open it all the way. And when I open it all the way, you see that I have everything behind me, like the whole walkway basically. And so like here is my entrance and here is the walkway. So I want to be able to crack my window when I'm cooking, and so I need to put up a screen. And to do that, I went to basically their dollar store, Mac Yee's dollar store, and got this kind of like screen protector. And it's just basically mosquito net. Like literally it's a mosquito net, and it comes with a roll of Velcro. And so you just take the sticker, take the back off the Velcro and stick it onto the seal of the window. And then you can put it up. So I'm just gonna share that with you guys. This is what the Velcro looks like. And because it's netting, mosquito netting, it'll just kind of stick right to it. And so I just take the peel off the back and just, you know, like stick it on there. So you have to do a lot of things differently here in Germany.